In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your project settings for the Eevee render engine in Blender. Whether you're just getting started or looking to fine-tune your project for maximum efficiency, the steps I'm about to show you are essential for ensuring high-quality renders. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Render Properties tab on the right side of your Blender interface. Here you'll find various options related to rendering your scene. The first thing to do is set the render engine to Eevee. You'll typically find the option at the very top of the panel. Switching to Eevee can significantly speed up your workflow, especially if you're working on real-time projects or animations, as it allows for faster render times compared to cycles. Now, with the render engine set to Eevee, let's make sure screen space reflections are enabled. This setting is crucial for achieving more realistic reflections and refractions on surfaces within your scene. It helps to capture those subtle light bounces off reflective surfaces like glass or water. To ensure it's turned on, simply scroll down in the Render Properties tab until you see the Screen Space Reflections option, and make sure the box is checked. As you continue scrolling, you'll find the Ray Tracing section. Here, it's important to ensure that refraction is enabled. Refraction is what allows light to bend as it passes through transparent materials, adding realism to things like glass objects, liquid surfaces, and lenses within your scene. This setting is less demanding than full ray tracing and maintains the speed advantage of Eevee while improving the visual quality where needed. Having set up the render properties, it's time to make some adjustments in the material properties. Select the object you want to adjust and navigate to the Material Properties panel. Within this panel, look for the Settings section. Under Settings, locate the Blend mode, which needs to be set to Alpha Blend. This setting is especially useful when dealing with transparency in materials, ensuring that transparent aspects of your objects are rendered more accurately. It helps in achieving more nuanced transparency without the complications that can sometimes occur with other blend modes. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to producing cleaner, more polished renders using Eevee. These settings collectively contribute to the overall quality and realism of your 3D project while maintaining the fast performance that Eevee is renowned for. I hope you found this guide helpful, and remember, these settings can always be adjusted to better suit the specifics of your project or personal preferences. Happy rendering, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your Blender experience.